ST6B, we had to create our professional development course. Mine was located and called Google Me, Tech Me, Teach Me. So here's the stream. Welcome class to Google Me, Tech Me, Teach Me, which is a professional development course to increase your knowledge on digital tools in Google Classroom. The classwork started with the kickoff, with the welcome, about this course, about the coordinator. I had a voice thread introducing about the course and about myself. I had 4 modules that the class had to complete. The first module was the course objective, the module objective, and the assessment. The instructional materials, voice thread, Google Classroom, they were going to have to create their own voice thread. The instructions and the activities of how to create a voice thread. The actual assignment, which is creating a voice thread. And questions that they had to post in the stream for discussion. Module 2, they had to use a digital tool from the 3 here, Storybird, Seesaw, Schoology. The instructional activities. I attached a tutorial. I wanted them to use Storybird to become familiar. It's a very wonderful tool to help students become engaged in creating their own stories about the lesson topic, as well as the assignment where they had to create and publish a story. Module 3, instructional materials, training videos on Google Classroom, the instructional activities. The educators will research 2 additional educational tools to use in Google Classroom, as well as the assignment. We also had to include a marketing survey. And in order to get my teachers to actively be involved in the professional development, of course, it would have to be paid. But they would meet every Monday in the place of faculty meeting so that they could complete each module weekly. And then they would have to post on the stream and complete all 4 modules, post 4 times a month in an effort to receive the stipend and to get credit.